Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the March Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month has 4 collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, plus lots of bonuses. This month we are shifting our focus from winter and we're going into spring. And I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. So our 4 collections is Here Comes Spring from Cartabella, Happy St. Patty's Day from Echo Park, and the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Spring Garden, and the Simple Stories Remember collection. So you can see all of the beautiful colors ready for all of your projects. Along with your kits, you also have access to 4 recipe cards. So these are double page layouts that our design team creates for you. And then they give you their cutting and assembly and instructions, and they take a photograph of their finished layout so that you can create right along with them and be inspired. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip while you unbox your goodies or while you're creating. As a subscriber, you also receive a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You, and this month is this gorgeous cut file of this watering can full of a bouquet of flowers, perfect for our collections, and the title Springtime, so you can use that all together or break it apart, but it is perfect for this month's collections. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at each one of these beautiful collections. Our first collection is from Cartabella and it's Here Comes Spring. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this beautiful floral paper, and you're going to notice in this collection the 2024 color peeking through. This little peachy color is the color of the year, and so they have nailed it. The back is a 2-toned green print. That paper is called Sunny Floral. And then we have the beadboard backing with florals just floating all over it. The back is a polka dot on the turquoisey green. Then we have a watering cans with those florals. So this is, again, mimics that free cut file you have this month. So this is perfect. The back is a peach check. That paper is called Watering Can Bouquet. Just check out the gorgeous colors in this collection. And then you're going to receive a 1/3 pack of the ephemera. So these will vary among the kits, but this is what I got. You're also going to get some enamel dots, and so those colors will vary among the kit, but that's a good representation. So that is Here Comes Spring from Cartabella. Our second collection is from Echo Park, and it's Happy St. Patrick's Day. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. We have this cauldron full of gold coins at the end of the rainbow. The back is a 4x6 cut apart. I'm just here for the shenanigans. Then we have this paper called March Blooms, which is a thin stripe in all of the different colors. The back is another gorgeous floral. We have this paper called Luck of the Irish, which is banners. It says Lucky and March and Party Irish. And the back is the clover print, tone on tone green. So one more look at your patterned papers. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So I love this really wide scalloped border. It has all of the shamrocks on it. We have some large titles. St. Patrick's Day, that I'm just here for the shenanigans again, a banner that says March and Lucky. Lots of little sayings. So take your scraps and make a few little cards for friends and family. So that is Happy St. Patrick's Day from Echo Park. This collection is from Simple Stories, and it's their Simple Vintage Spring Garden. So their Simple Vintage collections are the ones that are a little bit more softer colors and just that vintage vibe to it. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl cardstock. This pattern paper called My Happy Place, which has all these beautiful butterflies on top of a ledger print. The back is this gorgeous blue design. This paper is called Bloom Brightly, and we have the large faint design of roses on this pink gingham print. The back is a ledger with some mixed media of the red check coming through and the green check and some foliage and text on the sides, just gorgeous. This paper is called Scatter Sunshine, and I love this. This is a perfect background paper. So we have that faint check design in the back, the gorgeous florals up the side. You could also turn it and have it go at the bottom, or come on this side. You could also even do it from the top. So I love that paper. The back is a honeycomb print in the gold. So one more look. Your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a sampling of different ones. So you're going to get some of the foam stickers, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces, and you're going to get a few of the brads. So all of these will vary among the kits, but that's a good representation. You'll have plenty to get your projects done. So that is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Spring Garden. Our final collection is Remember from Simple Stories, and this is geared towards if you want to document someone that you've lost and you want to remember them. It is just a beautiful collection. I love the beautiful soft colors and the blue and the peachy pink and this kind of golden green. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. This paper is Sweet Memories. Again, just those beautiful florals. The back is a tone-on-tone print, again, in that peachy pink. So they're picking up on that 2024 color of the year as well. This paper is called Always Remember. This is another perfect background paper. You have your embellishment cluster down here already done for you and one up there. So just put, if you just have one photo, you could do it down here. You could do a scattering of photos. It's just beautiful. The back is that greenish gray, and there's an X print going through that. Then we have this cut apart. This is their Journal Elements papers, which I always love. They give you different sizes of little cut aparts that you can use for journaling or tucking in and embellishing. Just gorgeous. I love the typewriter included. The back is a dandelion print on the blue, kind of a blue gray. Again, just beautiful colors in this collection. For your embellishment, you're going to get some of the foam stickers and about 1/5 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will all vary among the kits, but this is a good idea of what you'll be receiving. So that is Remember from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that we have available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. You can get more cardstock, pattern paper, or embellishments. You can also check out the Shots of Life here, and this one can give you more pattern paper and embellishments, but that kit is geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers, but it's great as an add-on to the Flavors of the Month. Be sure to check out all the other available items in the store and join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.